So you're welcome once again to Austin Concepts. So in this video, I'll be showing us how we can input data in SPSS. Just simple data. We're dealing with demographic uh of the respondents, so that we're able to start with this SPSS of a thing. Let me just recap from the last video. So I discussed about data. I said data is an individual pieces of record or individual pieces of facts recorded for a certain use. And I discussed about types of data which we have qualitative data and quantitative data. And I discussed about how data can be collected. I said it can be collected through it can be collected primarily and secondary, which means we have primary data and secondary data. And I also told us that there are variables that we need to know as a data analyst. I said we have dependent variable and independent variable. And I said we also have hidden variables as well as a data analyst. So today I'll be showing us how we can input data using SPSS. Like I said, okay, just go to my YouTube channel. Just try to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Austin Concepts. We see some videos on graphic design, website design, and video on data analysis, and as well as SPSS. So let us go. Now you've opened your SPSS software like this. Remember that I told us something that if you need SPSS software, you can just contact me, just come to my DM, or just give me a message on my Gmail or any of my social media, and I will get in touch with you. I will send it to you. Now, you've opened your SPSS software. So the next thing to do, like I told us, I said we have two interface. We have data view interface. We also have variable interface. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to start from variable view interface. Now I've showed us some things that we can use SPSS for. Now let me start from this one. Okay, let me say interview. Now I want to do something now. ID. Just press enter. Now you can see something there. It said variable name contains an illegal character. Why? Because SPSS will not let me see in the aspect of name, it will not allow you to use space while writing name. So but if you want to do is, so this is what we do. Just do like this, interview ID. Can you see that? So interview ID. Just click enter. Can you see that? Then numeric. This kind of variable type. We have numeric, we have comma, we have dot, we have scientific notation, we have data, we have dollar, we have custom currency, we have string, we have restricted numeric, that is integer with leading zeros and so on and so forth. But in this case, we'll be using numeric. Just reduce this, we don't need decimal place, just click zero. Okay, then label, that is ID. Then value, we don't need value for now. Missing, let us choose discrete missing 999. Okay, then alignment should be, you can use left, you can use right, anything, but I'm using center. Then measure should be scale. Scale, Then the next thing is, let's say you want to deal with the age of the respondent. Just click age of the respondent. Just click enter. Then just click on age. And let's say gender. Gender. Okay. Let's say tribe. I want to deal with the tribe. Then religion. What else again? You also have what else again? Let me use this for okay. Okay. Gender, tribe, religion. Yes. Educational level. Let me add educational level. Okay, let's go with these 5 items. Let me just add education. These 5 items, just copy this one. Just copy it, paste. Okay, copy or Control C, then paste. Okay, paste, 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 paste. Then center. So I'm using, like I told you, I'm using center. You can use right or left. But I'm using center for this work. Okay. Now on this account of age, so you can see follows. So just click on these 3 dots, then follow. Let's start from one, then label. So what kind of label do you want to use? It says I mean the range of the age that I want to use. I want to use from 10 to 14 years. Okay. Second value 2, from 15 to 19 years. Third value from 20 to 24 years. Okay, let me just use these 3 value. Then on gender, first value we have male, female. Okay, then on my tribe, let me use one Yoruba. You can use tribe or ethnicity. 2 Igbo, 3 Hausa. Let me just use these 3 for now. And then religion, 1 Christianity, 2 Islam, 3 traditional. Alright. Then on educational status, let me use 1 primary. Now on this educational level, we have no formal education, and we have primary, we have secondary, we have tertiary. But I'm using primary, secondary and tertiary education. Right. Just click OK. Then you want to measure it. So we are going to make use of nominal. Nominal because it is just nominal. Okay. Just click Control S or just go to this place. Just click on save. Then assuming you have your file with you, just save it with anything you want. Okay, let me just save mine with SPSS tutorial 2025. 25. Okay, save. Okay, so as you come to this IBMS, SPSS, statistics viewer, just go back to this interface. Just go to data view. So we are working in variable view. So we now want to go to data view so that we can enter our data now. Click. You can see, let me use, assuming I want to use 10 respondents. One, two, sorry, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Now, age of respondents. Let's say in this thing, when we did our age, one is 10 to 14, two 15 to 19, and so on and so forth. So let me now go back to data view. If I click on one, that is 10 to what? 14. Can you see that? If I click on two, click on three. If I click on one, two, so you will be inputting the data you collected from the respondents. Okay, right. Then gender, is it female or male? Female or male? Female or male? Female or I'm even singing. Female or male? Alright, then tribe. We have Yoruba one as one, Hausa as three, Igbo as alright. Okay. So I'm just using this as an example. If you have your data collected with you, you can make use of it. Then religion, you have Christian, Islam. Okay, educational level, we have primary, secondary, and tertiary. Okay, so we are done with this one. Now we are done with the coding. So it has been coded now. Our data has been coded for 10 respondents. Now want to analyze it. Just come to this analyze. Just come to descriptive statistics. So now we are dealing with frequencies. Click on it. Now you can see age, gender, tribe, religion, educational level, and so on and so forth. Now, what we're going to do is we'll be doing it one after the other. Just click on age. So you don't have anything with this interview, just number. It is just the number, the serial number of the respondents. Just click on age. Just click on this arrow, forward arrow. Okay, to come to this place, you can see variables. Just click on statistics. So in case you want to make use of quartiles, standard deviation, variables range, and so on and so forth, you can choose anything you want to so you want to add. But for now, I don't need this one. So I'm not in need of it. Let me just go to chart. So I want to make use of bar chart. I click on it. Then make sure that it is in percentages. Just click continue. Now, so I'm done with this one. And always make sure that you check this display frequency tables. Check it. I mean, you should click on it. Just click on OK. You're going to see magic now. All right. Now, frequencies, you can see age statistics, then you can see um frequency, percent, valid, percent, cumulative and so on. You can see and dis our table and dis our bar chart. Now you can actually copy dis too, just click on dem. Assuming if you are working, just click on control, click on second one, then just click on control C to copy. Now let me now go to my documents. Oh, okay. I don't have any document yet. Let me just go to any document. Let me just go and copy it. Let me just go and paste it. Okay. Now let me paste what I have copied from my SPSS. Coming. Okay. Okay, I'm coming. Let me copy it separately. Coming. Okay. Let me copy this bar chart as well. Okay. Then I want to name your table. You can just say it 1 point. Okay. Table 1. Distribution of respondents according to age. All right. Then you don't need this one. Just delete it. Then now we are using feed survey. I mean, we collected the data by ourselves. That is primary source. Now, source, feed survey data. Now, what year? What year? So I'm using 2025. Okay. Now, so I'm done with data, with the table of the data and with the bar charts of the data. So I've represented the data with table and with bar chart. Now I now want to interpret the data now. Now what I just say is the table above. Now I will show us two ways. The table above considered 5, which is 50%, were between 10 to 14 of the respondents were between 10 to, while 5 were between 20 to 24 years. Or if you don't want to use it this way, you can just say table 1 reveals the the age of the respondent, comma 50% were between 10 to 14 years, 50% were between 20 to 24 years. So that's it. We are done with this interpretation. Then you can choose to increase your table, as you wish. Then you can also change the font of your text. Increase the font size. Okay, so that is how to do SPSS. Now, in case you want to interpret everything, just go to this place, just click on this, then click on shift, and everything will be done completely. I mean, everything will be done. You can see that. So you can see age, gender, tribe, religion, and so on and so forth. So thank you once again. This is how to input your data on SPSS, just in a simple way. Just a simple way. You can input your data on SPSS in a simple way. Like I said, just please try to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Austin Concepts, and you can just follow us on Facebook, Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and then you can get in touch with me through my Gmail, Austin Concept Agency Enterprise. So thank you once again. My name is Austin Concept.